Hey all, welcome to AI Daily. Let's get you up to speed on what's happening in AI today. We've got a packed show, starting with a massive model drop from China. Alibaba has just shipped Qwen3.5-397B-A17B, positioning it as the first open-weight model in their Qwen3.5 series. This isn't just any model, it's natively multimodal, features both thinking and non-thinking modes, and employs a hybrid linear attention with sparse mixture of experts architecture. What's truly fascinating is how it manages inference at long contexts, with the community buzzing about gated delta networks. Despite its colossal approximately 800 gigabytes BF16 scale, people are actually reporting local runs on Apple Silicon with impressive efficiency, even on 256 gigabytes RAM setups. Though, there's a bit of a pricing drama brewing around Alibaba's API, with some calling it high given the model's efficiency claims. Now, shifting gears to a story that highlights individual ingenuity meeting industry giants. The OpenClaw saga is a fantastic example of a one-person team leveraging coding agents to ship something truly impactful, ultimately leading to Peter Steinberger's acquisition by OpenAI. This move has sparked broader discussions about how OpenAI might approach open source going forward. A key takeaway from this whole narrative is the emerging thesis that the harness, that's the tooling, context management, and evaluation infrastructure around a model is becoming the real moat for agents, more so than the model itself. This also brought some scrutiny to Anthropic's stance on open source, with claims that their restrictions might be pushing developers towards other platforms. Moving on, let's talk about OpenAI themselves. Sam Altman recently reported a significant surge in Codex usage, with weekly users tripling since the start of the year. This indicates a substantial leap in adoption. But it's not just about more users. OpenAI is also focusing on security. They've introduced Lockdown Mode for ChatGPT, initially for enterprise and business users, to mitigate prompt injection and data exfiltration risks. This is a crucial product-level acknowledgement that tool-enabled LLMs expand the attack surface, and organizations need more restrictive controls. Meanwhile, across the industry, China has seen a holiday model wave, with multiple releases around the Chinese New Year. We're talking about models like GLM5, Minimax M2.5, and ByteDance's Cdance 2.0. Minimax M2.5, for instance, is making headlines for its impressive throughput, sustaining around 2,500 tokens per second per GPU. ByteDance's Cdance 2.0 even became a cultural moment through a short film produced with the model, signaling video generation moving into filmmaker workflows. And it's not just models. China's robotics sector is also showing rapid progress, with Unitree humanoids making appearances at major events, challenging previous skepticism. Finally, let's touch upon the foundational layer of all this AI progress: compute infrastructure. We're seeing clear signals of supply chain strain. Western Digital has reportedly sold out much of its 2026 HDD capacity, with some AI customers booking out to 2027 and even 2028. This really underscores the insatiable demand for storage. On the performance front, NVIDIA's GB200 NVL72 is being touted with incredible claims: approximately 50 times higher performance per megawatt and 35 times lower cost per token compared to Hopper. These figures, while vendor claimed, highlight the intense race for more efficient and powerful AI hardware. And that's a wrap on today's AI headlines. Until next time.